Hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Clean 8-Bit. In today's video, we'll do an unboxing, first impressions, and frequent asked questions about the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, which is the latest addition to my camera equipment. Let's jump right into the unboxing. So how much does it cost? Well, I bought this one on sale for $269 in Amazon, but as of the recording of this video, it is selling for $339. I'm gonna leave the link down below. The latest DJI products I bought always come with this sticker. I still haven't found a good place for it yet, and they always end up on the trash. The camera comes well packaged and well protected as well, even a sticker for the lens not to get scratched up during delivery. First impression is a premium feeling. All of these little doors have waterproofing seals, and here it is next to my iPhone 12 mini for size comparison. They include a USB-C to USB-C cable, which you can use to connect it to your computer, which brings me to another frequent asked question, which is, can you use this Action 5 Pro as a webcam? And the answer is yes. You can just plug it into your PC with the provided USB-C cable, and you'll be prompted on the camera if you want to use it as a webcam. You are given two options, 1080p 30 frames per second or 1080p at 60 frames per second. However, I found out that once you plug it into a PC, it is going to be defaulted to 30 frames per second, and the 60 frames per second is just to use with something like OBS. The included battery is a 1950 milliamp battery. I really like that it already comes pre-charged so that you can jump right into the setup process without having to charge it. The protective case does seem to add a lot of protection, but it is a pain that you do have to remove in order to open the USB-C and the battery compartment doors. We also get the magnetic quick release bottom plate, which you're gonna use to mount the camera to any accessory. And I am happy to inform that this will work to mount it to any GoPro accessory. They also include a single bolt, and as usual, you get a lot of useless paperwork. The camera weighs 146 grams without the protective case, and 175 grams with the case on. I have touched already that the camera has built-in storage. That is 47 gigs of built-in storage that it comes with. And one of the frequent asked questions is, I even had this question too, is how much video can you record on that included storage? Well, I did some testing and it seems that you can record 2 hours and 58 minutes at 1080p 24 frames per second, 1 hour and 57 minutes at 1080p 60 frames per second, 1 hour and 9 minutes at 4K 24, and 57 minutes at 4K 60, or 53 minutes at 4K 120. Which I find that is plenty of recording that you can do on the internal storage, so I really like that. Alright, well, I hope you liked this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like. If you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to clean 8-bit.